Imagine securing a masterpiece of technology at a price that's never been lower. That's right, folks, the Samsung Frame TV has just hit its all-time low on Amazon. This 75-inch Frame 4K QLED TV, previously priced at $2,997, is now available for just $1,895. That's a deal that's hard to pass up. And for those of you who don't mind a gently used model, there's even more savings to be had. This same model, in like-new condition, is available for just $1,647. Even the smaller options are discounted, with the 55-inch model down to $997 and the 65-inch model now just $1,597. If you've been waiting for the right time to bring this technological marvel home, there's no better time than now. So, what makes the Samsung Frame TV stand out in the crowded market of smart TVs? Firstly, the Samsung Frame TV is much more than just a TV, it's a work of art. Quite literally, in fact. When not in use, the Frame TV transforms into an art piece displaying classic paintings or even your own treasured photos. It's a unique feature that allows the TV to blend seamlessly into your home decor, turning what could be a black void into a beautiful focal point. Imagine having the ability to display a Van Gogh or a Monet in your living room, or showcasing your latest travel photos on a grand scale. That's the kind of aesthetic versatility the Frame TV offers. At the heart of this is the Frame TV's innovative anti-reflective screen. This isn't your average TV screen, it's designed to minimize reflections and maximize viewing pleasure, regardless of where you're seated or how much light is in the room. It's all about ensuring that your chosen artwork or the latest blockbuster movie looks its absolute best. But the Samsung Frame TV isn't just about looks, it's loaded with smart features too. It comes with built-in Google Assistant and Alexa, giving you hands-free control of your TV and connected devices. Want to change the channel, adjust the volume, or switch to gaming mode without lifting a finger? Just ask your virtual assistant. Speaking of gaming, the Frame TV boasts an auto gaming mode, a feature that will certainly pique the interest of gamers. When you connect your console to the Frame TV, it automatically switches to game mode, optimizing the screen settings for the best possible gaming experience. It reduces input lag, smooths out the graphics, and ensures you're always ready to jump into action. Underpinning all of this is Samsung's Tizen operating system. This user-friendly platform makes navigating your TV a breeze, with a simple, intuitive interface and easy access to a wide range of streaming services. Whether you're a Netflix addict, a Disney Plus devotee, or an Amazon Prime aficionado, Tizen has got you covered. So to sum it all up, the Samsung Frame TV is a unique fusion of art and technology. It's a TV when you want it, and an art piece when you don't. It's smart, it's stylish, and it's packed with features designed to enhance your viewing and gaming experiences. But the Frame TV isn't just about delivering top-notch tech. It's about making a statement. It's a TV for those who value aesthetics as much as functionality, for those who want their technology to blend in rather than stand out, for those who see their TV not just as a device but as a part of their home's decor. The Samsung Frame TV is not just a TV, it's a lifestyle statement. The Samsung Frame TV has come a long way, always striving to offer more to its users. A significant part of the Frame TV's evolution revolves around its commitment to energy efficiency. In the past, one major concern was how quickly the TV refreshed imagery, particularly when not in use. However, Samsung has fine-tuned this aspect in recent models, ensuring that the TV doesn't eat away at your energy bill. This is a win for both your pocket and the environment. But that's not all. Beginning from 2021, Samsung made a critical shift in the screen coating of the Frame TV. The semi-gloss finish was replaced by an incredibly matte finish, further enhancing the TV's art-like display. The new finish offers minimal reflections, even when photographed, making the TV blend seamlessly into your room decor. It's like having a piece of art that comes to life at the click of a button. Yet the Frame TV is not just about aesthetics. It's a QLED 4K TV, backed with 100% color volume and Quantum HDR for crisp viewing. This ensures that whether you're watching a classic film or a vibrant nature documentary, the colors pop, and the details are crystal clear. However, it's worth noting that the Frame TV does not support Dolby Vision. While this might be a drawback for some, it's important to remember that the Frame TV is designed to be more than just a TV. It's a lifestyle product that combines technology and art in a unique and innovative way. In terms of design, older models of the Frame TV were a bit heavier and not as thin as the 2024 upgrade. But thanks to the slim fit wall mount that comes with the TV, it doesn't jut out nearly as much as most other options on the market. While it has its limitations, the Samsung Frame TV's unique features make it a standout choice. After all, it's not just a TV, it's a piece of art that brings technology and style together in your living space. The Samsung Frame TV is more than just a technological masterpiece, it's an aesthetic delight. In today's world, where minimalism rules and sleek design is the order of the day, the Samsung Frame TV stands as a testament to Samsung's commitment to merging technology with art. Its design is a departure from the conventional, bulky televisions that are a stark reminder of their presence, even when switched off. Instead, the Frame TV, with its slim-fit wall mount, seamlessly integrates into your living space, becoming a part of the room's aesthetic charm, rather than an intrusive element. The beauty of the Samsung Frame TV lies in its clever design, which allows it to masquerade as an elegant piece of artwork when not in use. It's a television when you want it, and an art display when you need it. It's this chameleon-like ability that sets it apart from its counterparts in the market. The Frame TV's innovative anti-reflective screen is another feather in its cap, as it lets you enjoy your favorite artworks and personal photographs without the distracting glare that is so common with traditional screens. Now here's a little tale from my own experience. I own a Hisense TV, an older model with a slightly curved back that prevents it from sitting flush on the wall. In a bid to mimic the look of the Samsung Frame TV, I took some gold tape to the perimeter, giving it the appearance of a brass frame. But as I stood back to admire my handiwork, I couldn't shake off the feeling that there was something missing. It lacked the sophistication, the elegance, and the seamless integration that the Samsung Frame TV offers. Sure, my DIY attempt was a fun experiment, but it also made me realize the true value of the Samsung Frame TV. It's not just about the top-notch technology or the impressive features, it's about the aesthetics, the design, the seamless integration into your home. It's about having a piece of art that doubles as a television. The Samsung Frame TV isn't just a TV, it's a piece of art that enhances the aesthetics of your home. The Samsung Frame TV is a unique blend of technology, aesthetics, and lifestyle. In this video, we've discussed the remarkable price drop of Samsung's 75 inches Frame 4K QLED TV, which is now available at an all-time low price on Amazon. We've delved into its unique features, including the innovative anti-reflective screen that doubles as a display for classic paintings and personal photos when not in use. We've also touched on the evolution of the Frame TV, highlighting improvements in energy efficiency and screen coating. The Frame TV's aesthetics have been a key part of our discussion, emphasizing how its design contributes to an art-like look and feel. This is a one-of-a-kind lifestyle TV, and if you've been contemplating adding it to your home, this is the perfect time to make the move. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech news and updates.